It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
Okay, you all, so here's the bar cart. Obviously, last time y'all saw this, you saw the shelf over here in this corner, and I actually moved it over to the other corner over there. So therefore, I'm just put the bar cart here because I still haven't got a shelf in, so I decided to just go ahead and put my bar cart and just be pretty much done with it. So if anything change, you guys will see in a further future video or whatever. But once again, this bar cart came from, well, this utility cart came from Walmart.com. I done had it probably about 2 years or maybe 3 to the most, and all I did was spray paint it using Walmart spray paint. But the bar cart didn't cost no more than $35. I actually can make it 4 layers. I just have it 3 at the time. So what I mean by it's a utility cart. Basically, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. So I was on a hunt looking for bar carts. Couldn't find nothing that I really liked or whatever. And I said, you know what, let me try this thing here. So with that being said, that's what I got it from Walmart. The spray paint is from Walmart as well. And I decided to put some mirrors on here. If you guys in old Royal Queen or King that's been with me for a minute, so pretty much I'm doing this for the new ones. Here are some mirrors that I'm pretty much gonna put on top of here that I got from, I want to say Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Had to be Michael's. I think it was definitely Michael's for these size mirror, and they cost no more than $8. So this is pretty much how I'm gonna glam it up, make it mirrored, because I did want a mirrored bar cart. So this was easy and more affordable for me to do than anything else. All right, so now that I put all the mirrors on, that is pretty much how she looks. So we're about to get ready to style her in a moment. Cute, right? All right, y'all, so we're gonna start from the bottom and work our way pretty much up to the top of it. I have a lot of stuff here over on the dining room table that I'm pretty much gonna use over here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use everything, I don't know. Okay, so I have some books here. No, I'm gonna put these down to the bottom. Oh, Lord, help me, Jesus. Okay, put the books down there. Try to hear my bones popping. Of course, you got to have some bottles. So, got some Bel Air. I got some Blue Chair Bay. Banana rum. That's what that is. Push that over some so I can have some room. So we got some Hennessy. Some more Bel Air. And then some Crown Royal Peach. This is Dre's favorite. So that's why he said I got 2 bottles. Can you see it like this? So I have this this a picture frame that I actually made like a tic-tac-toe game with it. Actually, that's why you see the bling in there like that. But I'm gonna use it as a tray today. Let's put it on this side. So what I'm gonna do is put some of my glasses in here. Ones that I got from, these came from Ross, but they Z Gallery and Pier 1 dupe. I gotta go get another because Jasmine broke one. The best time you can find glasses like this is pretty much definitely around the holiday time, Christmas time. All the bling stuff come out. All the bling stuff come out. You may can find some now, probably in Ross. You might can, not sure. But you definitely can find them at Z Gallery year round, but you're gonna pay like $13 a glass. Okay, then I have this box here which came from Rose Forever, and inside I got some of my little hookahs flavors and the foil, the thingies majig. Forgot what you call them, child. So I'm gonna see that right there for now. So to try to mimic what I have on the other side, since I don't have the height as the other shelf, I'm just gonna put the stuff that you guys seen before that I had on the floor over there for the go to the next shelf. But since they're not, I'm just gonna use it here. So that is a vase that came from Z Gallery. It used to be teal. You guys can see. It used to be teal, and I just basically spray painted it. It was gold, and now it's black. So yeah. Then I'm just gonna use this little ice bucket. Y'all remember I had my utensils in this until I got another from what the other place called Target. So this is a Dollar Tree little champagne bucket, ice bucket, and I'm using this little faux champagne bottle that I got from Ross a couple years ago. A lot of this stuff I have been had. It's nothing new up here. Nothing. Well, take it back. This is new. This is our electric wine opener that I got from Amazon. I don't know did I show you guys this or not, but it comes with a holder set so you can pour your wine easily. You can cut off the corks, well, the foil off of some. You know, some of the wine bottles have the foil and stuff like that. Some have the cork, so you're able to pull this out or whatever with it. So I'm gonna use this too. I don't know if I want to set that there though, but we're gonna set it there for now. This hookah here, I'm gonna place up here because you know I have the hookah pieces down there, so I'm gonna use that there. But I don't like the redness of it, so I'm gonna use my little bus here that I got from what the place called, the Goodwill, actually, the Goodwill. So I'm gonna use this to pretty much hide that redness of it because you know it's not a part of my aesthetics. The only reason red because this one here belongs to Dre. And one of you guys asked me once before about these hookahs, the one that I have on my counter. Dre bought that for me for a Christmas present, so I'm not even sure where he got it from, but I'm quite sure you can find them on Amazon too as well. So I don't think I want to stick that there. I think I'm gonna put the quart holder down to the bottom. Leave that like that so it don't be too crowded up here. So that there. All right, y'all, so here it is, queens and kings. Here's the bar cart now. What you all didn't see me put on was this perfume bottle here, which is from Z Gallery, and I just add some diamonds down there just to jazz it up a little bit. That's about it. That top book is from Amazon, and that bottle book is just basically a Chanel cover on top of another book, you know, just to give another faux look of a Chanel book. And this container here is from Home Goods, and this candle here is from actually the Dollar Tree. And the last thing that I put on was the crown, of course, and this crown is from Amazon.